going to try to do this one-handed. I'm adapting a 69 Mach 1 hood scoop to my 2014 Mustang because it didn't quite follow the shape of the hood curvature. So what I've done, you might be able to see it, is this purple color. This called, let me put the label here so you can read it, Plastilise 512. There's a bunch of different ones. What this is for is if you want basically a perfect copy when you're using polyester fiberglass or polyester body filler kind of stuff. Basically you just brush it on, it makes a coating, and I don't know if you can see that, but it just pulls right off, so you can make a mess and have a perfect copy but not have it stuck like that. So it looks like hell now, but it'll all be fixed in just a bit. So, and I'll show you what else is cool about this stuff in a bit. And this is the cool part about Plastilise. Oh shit. And this is the cool part about Plastilise. It's water soluble. Quick rub and it'll be all clean, and I love this stuff. It's great for fiberglass or body filler that's polyester. Neat stuff. And just a quick light rub on the thick part. And no paint damage if you're not going to repaint. And so again, it's just really cool stuff. Now I did make a lot bigger mess than I needed to, but I'm trying to outrun the bad weather coming in, the rain and stuff. I hear it's middle of October, so, but you can see scoop fits perfectly. You can see the line of the curvature of the hood. And yes, this is my favorite hood scoop, the 69 hood scoop. I have it on my 94 also, but it goes great with these body styles. But looking good now. It's going just like it was made for it, but probably even a better fit. These aren't really good castings, however they do them, but they're kind of messy, but they work. So back up a little bit. Yeah, it's gonna look sharp.